Oh my gosh, this one is crazy. Hey y'all, welcome to a weekend vlog. Today's Friday and my morning has been off to a crazy start. So yeah, I'm about to head to work. I need gas, so I need to stop at the gas station, like just add to the craziness. I filmed a video and I was supposed to film two, but I couldn't get to film the second one. I didn't have enough time. I also had to wash my hair because I wanted to get my hair braided after work today. So yeah, it's just been a lot this morning. I don't know. And then I couldn't find my keys to the car. Couldn't find the car keys, you guys. Like was looking for a good 15 minutes before I found them in my jacket pocket. But I could have sworn I put them in my bag this morning. Clearly I had not. So yeah, it was a hot mess. I did bring green juice though. I made some green juice last night. Celery juice with a little bit of apple and ginger. So I'm gonna drink this while I drive. That should help put me in a better headspace, you know, like a little bit more zen. I'm listening to this podcast. I cannot wait to get my hair done. I've been wanting to get goddess braids forever and I just never got them. So I'm really excited. I'm getting my hair braided today. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I will be getting braids after work at 3 o'clock today. So super excited about it. Hey girls, so it's after work. I'm about to head home. Well, not home, but to the nail hair salon. I can't even talk, but yeah. I also need to use the bathroom. I should have used the bathroom before I left, but I didn't. My hair is pretty dry for the most part, so it should be dry by the time I get up there. I actually had it in a tight little bun, and then I took it out about an hour ago because I realized it was not drying in the bun. It was just wet. So I took it out so that way it could dry. I need to get cash for the hairdresser, but I also need to get something to eat because I'm probably going to be sitting there for like 4 hours. So I need to grab something to eat so that I'm not starving. I'm about to go to Starbucks, grab me a drink. Alright y'all, so I don't know where to park. I'm here, but I don't know where to park. So I'm gonna run in and ask where I can park. Because I'm in a lot, but it says it's for a different address. Also, I got coffee, but coffee makes me use the bathroom, so I should not drink this. Hey girls, so I am home. I need to fix my edges because they're a little white. My hair is done. I freaking love it. I think it came out perfect. Yes, I'm here for it. My edges are white, but I need to fix that. Something about my hair type, like certain edge controls get white on it. I don't know what it is, but certain edge controls turn white on me, so I only use certain brands. So I'm gonna just wash this out and put my edge control that I like so that it's not white, but everything else looks amazing. I am literally obsessed. So this is it in the mirror. So yeah, I love it. I need to open up some packages that I got in the mail today, and I will talk to you guys later. Good morning. It's Saturday. Hey y'all, so it's been a few hours since I picked up the camera. I've just been tidying up my house because it was a little messy from the week. So I cleaned up the living room and stuff like that, but I'm about to head out just to run some errands. I need to go to the post office and I need to go to Target, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm about to leave the house with Callie. We're gonna run some quick errands. So I'm gonna switch out my stuff from my work bag into my weekend bag, which is this bum bag that I carry with me everywhere. I have a sock in here, you guys, because the other day I went to Target and I was wearing my Golden Goose sneakers and I had these socks on and they kept slipping into the shoe, like sliding into the shoe. It was so uncomfortable. I just stopped in one of the aisles and I took my sock off. I was like, this is not it. So yeah, I need to put this in the dirty hamper. I took the other one off too because then it was weird having one sock on, so I ended up like walking around with one sock for a minute, and then I was like, you know what, I gotta take this off too. So I took the other sock off in a different section. The person watching the cameras was probably like, well, what is this lady doing? Like, why is she taking her socks off? But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and switch some stuff over. I have some new sunglasses. I got these are from Ray-Ban. Let me show you guys what they look like. I haven't worn them yet, but I did take them with me to work in case I wanted to wear them after work yesterday. But they're just these round, they're just a round shape. I love Ray-Bans. Like, they're one of my favorite sunglass companies. I have these, I have aviators, and then I have another one that I always carry with me. It's probably in here too. Yeah, it is in here without a case. This is so horrible. But they're good quality because they survive being in my bag without a case. But yeah, I'll have these as well. So these are similar, but they're different. This is like a, well, clearly a different color, but it's also like different in terms of like the shape. This is more round. This is more like a round style, and I don't have anything. I don't have any round sunglasses, so I thought this would be really cute. I love it. I need my wallet, my keys. I never have cash, but I do because I had to tip yesterday. So, well, I had to pay for my hair in cash as well. So I ended up getting cash. So that's why I have cash. And even more. Okay. She has.
I'm finished.
You finished? Okay.
Why have you said that much?
Has dollars. She's dollars. Okay, she's cash money, honey. Such a clown. Okay, since my braids are still fresh, I'm gonna take this just in case. I think I'll just take one out of the container because my head, I hate having headaches, so I like to take those. This is my favorite headache medication. Nothing else does it like Excedrin for me. Just putting some powder on. I washed my face earlier with the Bad Habit cleanser, the matcha cleanser, and I just like did a light moisturization, but I didn't like really do anything else. So I'm gonna wear this gloss from Item. So glossy. I'm gonna take both of these with me for my lips, and then that's pretty much it. I'm gonna hold this for the sunglasses. That is, since I just got my hair done yesterday, I'm not gonna do much with it. I'm gonna keep it clipped back. I'm gonna just keep it in the same direction that they braided it in, just so it doesn't pull too much. And once it's like grown a little bit in a few days, then I can manipulate it more and really switch up the styles. I love this goddess braid style. It's just so pretty. Hey y'all, so Callie and I are on our way to run some errands. I just remembered one more thing that I needed to get because I'm writing a list because I feel like I'm having brain fog, like I'm forgetting what I need to be doing. So I just remembered one more thing to add to the list so I don't forget. Also, UPS says they delivered me a package, but I don't see the package on my stuff or the neighbor stuff because sometimes they put it on the neighbor by accident. I don't see anything. So we just got to Target. Callie and I are gonna head in.
Rolling on wheels. Take them out. Then we heard a weird voice saying something weird.
Hey Callie.
I'm freezing.
You're freezing?
Yeah.
Pretty cold. I got some of the things I went to get. Like I went to Victoria's Secret, got some undies. I also went to Bath and Body Works and got some stuff. I'll show you guys later. And then we stopped at Target just to get some snacks because we were hungry. So Callie got Lunchables and I got adult Lunchables. Callie's showing her Lunchables and I got this in a little green
Which
juice.
is not a Lunchable.
So we're gonna go. We're going to At Home. It looks dark, but it's really like 6 o'clock, I think.
It's 6 o'clock?
Yeah.
Does that mean I can watch TV?
What? No.
Make a nice opening for our
cute.
house.
No, the tree. This tree.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's good. I like
119.
that.
That's
Like
cute.
little pigs.
This one is 69. This one. Whoa, Callie, look at this one.
Whoa, it's like a big
So
bag.
tall.
Look at my daughter.
Let's
Look at
see.
this
The black one?
one. Very pretty.
This one looks nice, I think.
But don't get it because the price.
So we're back home. I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. I'm not going to show you guys what I got from Victoria's Secret because it's just underwear. But from Bath and Body Works, they were having the hand soaps were all $2.95, I think, like $2 something. Let me see the receipt. Maybe it tells me. Yeah, they were $2.95 each. Normally $5.55, so pretty like half off kind of. So I just got 3. I got some holiday scents. I got this one called Merry Cookie. Merry Cookie. I got them based on like how they sounded because I didn't really get a chance to smell them. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Highly recommend if you like vanilla. Oh, literally says vanilla bourbon icing and spun sugar. It smells like vanilla and sugar. So amazing. And I can smell the shortbread as well. Then, oh, this is my empty drink. This is what I was drinking in the car in case you missed that. It's really good. I just felt like I needed a green juice today. I got the Christmas morning mimosa. This one says cranberry, champagne bubbles, and a splash of orange. So let's smell it. Ooh, this smells really good too. It smells really good. This one is more of like a refreshing scent. This one is like more sweet. I love both. Like they're different vibes. And then the last one I picked up is called Crushed Candy Cane. And this one is peppermint white sugar and frosted mint leaves. So let's smell it. This one is super festive and like holiday scented. So yeah, they all smell really good though. I also got something from Nordstrom. I'll show you guys in a second. I'm gonna drink this while I open that. I'm gonna open up this package. This is from Nordstrom. I don't know why it has Nike. Well, I know why it has Nike tape on it, but I didn't realize it was gonna have Nike tape on it because it's from Nordstrom, so I don't know. I really hope this fits. I got like a Christmassy sweater, trying to be a little festive. So it's a nice color. It's called Chili Red, the color, and it's just a regular sweater. But yeah, this is what it looks like here. It's kind of cropped, but not really because I'm short, so it's not cropped on me. It is pretty oversized. I got a large though because I wanted it to be like baggy on me. But I think this would be really nice. I got a large because I wanted it to be baggy, but it is an oversized sweater. It looks like it's gonna be super comfy. I'll have it linked down below. They do have a ton of different colors for these sweaters. And now I will take a little immunity booster break. This one has elderberry, so maybe it's a little sweeter. Ooh, ooh, the ginger. The ginger is intense. Johnny, you want to try this?
Let's do it. Let me smell.
You won't like it, Callie.
You try it?
It's bad. Don't,
like
you're gonna spit it. It's supposed to be bad. Go
It's good for you though. Oh my gosh, this one is crazy. Hey y'all, so I'm just checking my subscribers and we are 4 away from 50K. Oh my gosh, we're gonna hit 50K in this vlog. I am so excited. You guys have no idea. Like, no idea. It's days later and we are 4 away from 50K. So we're gonna be at 50K when this vlog goes live. So I want to thank you guys so much. I definitely want to do something special for you guys. So for the month of December, I will be doing Vlogmas. Yes, I'm actually shooting Vlogmas right now in between this video because I'm getting a head start. But I'll be doing giveaways every week, so 4 giveaways throughout Vlogmas. There will be 4 giveaways throughout December in my Vlogmas videos, so stay tuned. I'll be doing 1 a week and I'm so grateful, so beyond thankful. You guys are literally amazing. I can't even say it. How many times can I say it? I don't know, but yeah, I do love you guys and I will see you in my next vlog, which will be Vlogmas on Wednesday, December 1st.